What's up guys, it's me Jimmy Agik. So here I bought one of the hidden headphone. This one I bought just due to the light band. This is the Philips yes, this is the Philips Strada. So jump to the unboxing table and then I can give you my honest opinion. Jump to the unboxing table.
I gave my hand for you to hold.
So here is the unboxing of the Philips. I am a huge fan of Philips. I think Philips is the best headphone company out there, period. So why I bought this one? The number one thing, I was looking for a headband headphone. Sadly, only I can get in this one, like bright pink. I will be mostly using with my Nintendo Switch. So with my maybe pink Joy-Con, I'm not sure, or maybe I will give to my sister because I was looking for a blue color. It was out of stock. I say I'm getting a quite good deal for less than 20 bucks on Amazon. Screw it, I'm gonna grab it. Let me show you from the back. Literally, let me show you from the back. As you can see, the information of it. This is Strada. Yeah, Strada. This is Strada. Okay. Let me now get my Swiss knife and then open the beautiful vivid pink headphone. Yes, the beautiful vivid pink headphone. Okay, here we go. It's open. Now let me take it out gently. Okay, I really like the packaging. I really like the window design. Is there anything? The box is empty. Definitely the box is now empty, as you can see. Okay. mm, The number one thing is the headband is beautiful design. The plastic look very good, but the wire look a little bit cheap. It's very easily breakable. Why Philips? Why you build a very beautiful headphone? I was looking to buy like in blue color when it will be in stock from Amazon. This is like a $1 headphone wire. Literally. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I am wrong. No, I'm not wrong. Yeah, Philip wire do not go bad easily. If you don't have any experience of using, I've been using Philip headphone, but this is like a really cheap wire. Anyway, what about the headband? Okay, let me take out gently, like a gentleman. Okay, this is really small. Okay, okay, you can adjust this also. Okay, this is a good thing. You can even adjust it. Okay, now let me put in on my head and show you. Okay, this is right, left. Okay, I like the design. The design is absolutely beautiful. This is like very beautiful. Maybe you can buy for your kids. If you wanna use this color, yeah, it's gonna be very comfortable. Let me put on my head, and then now jump back to me.
So here is the headphone. Let me put in my ear and then let me listen a song. Okay, like what I mean. Maybe I want to listen a song like what I mean. Okay, smack that. Okay, I'm listening the song called Smack That. Smack that all on the floor. Smack that. Military is quite good, to be honest with you. It's quite good. Let me now Havana Unnana. Now Havana Unnana I'm listening. Okay, let me make the volume lower a little bit. This song is high. It's very comfortable. Literally, it's very comfortable. Ooh, I can recommend. Literally, I can recommend. This is very comfortable. To be honest with you, I can easily recommend. My half heart is in Havana. This is a must buy. Buy, buy, buy. Yeah, I can easily recommend it. This is very comfortable. The bass is good. The bass is quite good. Literally, the bass is good. I like the bass. It's not that high, but it's good. It's neutral, sweet. It was me, Jimmy Geek. Subscribe and bye.